Senator Jim Nwobodo, a former governor of old Anambra, has called on President Muhammadu Buhari to restore unity among all sections of Nigerians. Nwobodo made the call at a book presentation titled "Thy Will Be Done," ahead of the 50th priestly ordination anniversary of His Eminence, John Cardinal Onyekan, in Abuja. He noted that Buhari, as the father of all Nigerians, owed it as a duty to the people to restore peace and unity to the country.
The need for peace in Nigeria cannot be overemphasized. This is the time we want peace in this country. And I think it's important in a place like this, we must have a country where everybody is free, where everybody is happy, where everybody has employment, if not employment, but where everybody is secure. We need peace in this country more than any time. I'm calling on the president. It is his duty to bring about peace in Nigeria. It is his duty. He's the father of everybody. And there is no need dividing this country. We must have peace in this country. And for us, we feel very sad that there is so much division in Nigeria now, more than ever before. And I think we need that peace, more than ever before.
His Eminence, John Cardinal Onyekan, stressed that individuals should embrace security initiative because anything contrary to that could destroy the country. Onyekan added that when peace is broken, the poor and the weak in the society pay dearly for it.
Peace is the most important thing in life, because without peace, nothing moves. Can't you see it? Can't you see it around us? If there's no peace, nothing can move. And when peace breaks down, generally it is the poor and the weak that pay heavily for it, and that's not fair. It's not fair. Those who provoke wars always find a way of escaping its consequences. That's why I'm so much interested in peace. In any case, as a Christian, what should we be doing but working for peace? Jesus told us, "My peace I leave you."
Talen, however, urged Nigerians to support President Muhammadu Buhari in the fight against corruption, insecurity, and other relevant issues bordering the nation.
Prayer is key, and with God on our side, we'll be able to address some of the security challenges that is facing this country. Corruption is so bad that if we don't fight it, it will kill Nigeria. And God forbid, but I call on all Nigerians that we must all join hands together to fight corruption, to be security conscious, and to make sure we do that which is right to improve the economy.